Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
After a jump ball. And you like that. And talagang napaka-importante naman na makakuha sila ng panalo. I feel the magic number to get to number 10 would
schedule doesn't look as kind as the others para dito sa Imus. They have, after Binyan, all of the teams that they'll be facing have better records than pinalo nga nila yung Zamboanga early in the season, I believe. And Big Boy Hernandez with the easy sa Imus.
Point blank yung mga misses na yun para dito sa Imus. But you like that they're getting in the paint, pero ganun din para dito sa Binyan.
Mas maganda yung chance nila.
Totoo yan. Kasi yung mga guardia,
what a move. Kenny
mo talagang you have to push the ball, which is exactly what they're doing now. And Kenny, for the most part, he's hyper.
Kenny Rucakurva, 4-on-2 again. Kenny, atake, masyadong malakas. And that's a basket timeout. Big Boy Hernandez
playing in their home court and to be dedicating this game to Carlo Lastimosa, whose birthday is today. Back to you guys.
Happy birthday, Carlo Lastimosa.
Uy, happy birthday.
You know, missed defensive assignment there kay J. Marie.
They went on what, a 7-game winning streak. And iba na nakita mo ang version. Talagang papahirap na nga na papahirap para dito sa Binyan.
Impayan has been active, 8 points and 4 rebounds. Make that 10. But Valentin's here, I think. He's in the building. Day-boy, bigay kay Pamboy Raimundo. Here's Kenny Roger Rucakurva. He knocks down the 3. Kenny Rucakurva.
That has got to be one of the personal favorite sets of Binyan. Shuffle cut. And then let's see a 3 right there by Mark Doligon.
Court rebound nakuha ni JJ Caspe. Oh, what a Ay! Ay! In this ball game, check out this chase down rejection galing kay Kenny Roger Rucakurva. That's emphatic.
Talagang hinabol
My goodness, Kenny Roger Rucakurva with a chase down block. And on the other end, Pamboy will not get the roll to Caspe for 3. Masyado malakas. A little rust for JJ Caspe, but Davey De La Shaw leaves it right here to Ong Mintes. Rebound. Masibas, nice pass to Soriano.
Good pass na nakakatulong yung isang Warren Bonifacio para dito sa Binyan. Nice dive.
Warren Bonifacio.
Level of energy.
Kasi maganda rin this is a talented team. You know, make no mistake about it. Yung kanilang it's a loaded team.
Yes.
Yung instincts nila, take over and actually do well.
And while you do have, as you see that finish by, you do have that amount of talent, and you couple that with the way,
times yung instincts nila, take over and actually do well.
And while you do have, as you see that amount of talent, and you couple that with the way,
can beat any team in the South Division, lalo na from 2 down to there's Doligon trying to beat the buzzer.
Mark Doligon.
Bonifacio, libre si Ballesteros just in the nick of time. I know it's in the middle of the season and syempre ang dami ring requirements ng All-Star game natin. But, Binyan stepped in and Sean stutter step, runner, won't go, rebound. Bonifacio passes a bit weak. Pido finds Peñaredondo for 2.
Lucky for JJ Caspe, it didn't get called for that finishing with the left hand. Oh, JJ Caspe.
JJ Caspe.
Itong si JJ, but really for the most part, puro perimeter ang atake niya. Good steal by JJ.
Caspe with a breakaway layup.
Number 1 in steals for Imus.
For Imus?
Yeah, pretty much. And
have to play in the second period. Peñaredondo. Curva pushing. Pido. Gets it to Kenny. Alonte. He draws the foul.
And Ronnie Alonte running alongside the guys in that fast break situation. 4 dark shirts actually running with them.
Alonte.
Mismatch underneath.
Pido. Labas kay Maestre. That's a 3. Mike Maestre.
Over the line niya ni Mike Maestre from 3.
Doligon, how about that 3? Galing kay Mark Doligon. Curva goes to Big Boy Hernandez. Na-let go ng ating mga refs doon. Big Boy with offensive rebound and somehow able to put that one in even with Basib.
Missed opportunity again. Buti na lang maganda yung recovery.
That won't go as well. Doligon inside, trying to force that one. Basibas with the recovery, the turnaround, and Basibas puts it in, plus the foul. But Basibas right here was totally unaware na meron dong isang tao pa na sa likod niya.
Alright, so that was a foul on Bam Lopez from the...
Raimundo, no good. Maestre flying high for the dito sa ating 3-point shootout saka yung slam dunk contest. And sabi na tayo.
Okay. So you're
Wait for a few more months.
You're not yet elite on that sport.
Hindi pa.
Beginner lang.
Ano lang yun, kasama natin sa mga side quest natin.
Yeah.
Mahilig si Valentin.
Why not?
7 seconds remaining here. Bam Lopez to Sual for back-to-back threes. Gets it to go. 57-37. They go. Big Boy Hernandez inside. No good. Rebound ni Waray. Himpayan. Really forceful, really aggressive.
Missed shot.
Get a special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer.
Yung nakikita mong tinatrabaho ni Jmar, talagang mahirap yan. Parang prime mo ngayon dyan.
Oo, prime ko. Walang rice eh. Ano mo naman?
Oh, no rice.
He takes the jumper. Masyado malakas. Big Boy. Shot fake. Blocked by Sumabat, but there's a foul.
It is quite deceiving to be seeing yung ano niya, yung tucked in jersey in the MPBL.
Gulo din ito eh. No? Inside. That's a basket again para kay Mike. Medyo pasensyahan nyo na po konti. Inside, Maestre, easy to San Sebastian ito si Pamboy Raimundo.
Yes.
And I can't believe also that it's been more than a decade ago. Pamboy on the move. Pamboy will fire. Yes.
2 out of 2 from long range. First one.
El Jersey official outfitter of the MPBN and also our All-Star game. Reggie Boy Basiba, init ang kamay niyan. Carlo Lastimosa with a runner. Naagaw. Lastimosa to Pamboy Raimundo for 2.
It's about time that you also trust.
Good pass underneath. Basibas, nice fake and beautiful finish with the left hand.
Couple of
8 points now para kay Basibas. Here's Lastimosa. Carlo with the pull-up. Yes! Rattles that one home. Carlo Lastimosa in total control of this ball game. Pamboy, mainit ang kamay. Ni Pamboy Raimundo has 10. Rebound para kay Pamboy. Leading the break. Roca Curva inside. Waray Himpayan for 2.
Unselfish basketball by Binya.
He has been enrolled into the chat group.
Okay.
He has entered the chat. Kumbaga. Sa mga tao, kung yung mga Ong drives and scores. With Soriano against Peñaredondo. Oh, wow. Soriano.
Drop step going the right side. Finished. Missed that contact. Pero makes the free.
Yan again. with that big quarter. Ronnie Alonte finally rattles that 3 home.
And he's been holding that na maayos.
Nabangiles has his leaping ability there para sa offensive rebound.
And a quick, see this pass right here in the find on that corner 3 by Ronnie Alonte. All the space that he needed to make that 3-point attempt. There you go.
Nuevo lets it fly and he puts it in for 3.
Alam mo yung mga pagkakataon na parating pa.
At Nuevo, pero talaga, sinipat talaga na matagal eh.
Inasinta ng mabuti.
Oo, tuwa sila Big Boy.
Handoff.
Alonte. Lumapit. Oh, off the glass and in. Para kay Ronnie Alonte.
And you like to put that ball on the floor.
Really showed his strength.
Finishing through contact. And the handles.
Oh, and si Basibas yung ano dun ha, bantay dun ha. And playing hard.
Yes.
Make sure na wala rin ma-injure. Nuevo makes it 5 points in the ball game. And iba.
Parang naka-on cloud eh, no? Gaan ng takbo. Nice move. After receiving it on the wing. Oh, very active. Si Curb.
Oh, 3-pointer galing kay JV De La Cruz. Too little too late.
Dito sa Binyan. Lalo na dyan sa may area ng San Pedro, Muntinlupa, Santa Rosa. As we see a 3 by Ryan Sowas, his third for the night.
Doligon. So the fate of Binyan, Zamboanga, and then against the Quezon City Galleries. Right now, they have Zamboanga, Muntinlupa, Marikina, and Quezon City. 2-8 is going to be really a tight battle. The 2 to number 4 is going to also be a really good one in the south. Na Batangas, Zamboanga. 9 sila ngayon because they beat Bataan before, with Chito Jaimes heroic. So